Hi guys, this is Mithun Jain and welcome to my channel MitFit. So this will be a short video on whey protein, whether whey protein is required in your diet. So let's see what is whey protein. Now whey protein is nothing but it is made from milk. So when you make paneer, the water which gets left out, जो आपका पानी बच जाता है, so that is nothing but your whey protein, and that goes through number of processing, number of filtration process, and then you get your whey protein powders. So each individual, everyone has their own protein needs throughout the day. Someone might have 100 grams of protein a day, someone will require 150 grams, someone will require 200 grams depending upon their workout intensity, if they are depending on their lifestyle, whether they are sedentary or they have a more active lifestyle. So depending on that, their protein requirement will differ. So the logic behind whey protein supplement. So we get proteins through various foods also, like if you get protein from your eggs, you get protein from your paneer, right? First class protein, chicken, fish, right? So you get all these protein from different sources of food. Now, if you are not able to meet your, like if my goal is to hit 150 grams of protein a day, so if I am not able to get that 150 grams of protein through food, I might supplement with a whey protein powder. So that becomes very convenient to me, and it is like if I don't have time to have my meals, then I can have a whey protein shake. So the answer is no, it is not required. You do not require a whey protein supplement, whether you are on a weight loss diet or whether you want to gain muscle. You should focus on your you should focus on your diet first. Your diet should be in place first, and then if required you can supplement it with a whey protein powder. So you cannot replace your actual foods, like you cannot replace them with a whey protein powder. So first try to meet your protein requirement through foods, and then if required you supplement it with a whey protein powder, but it is not required. It is absolutely not required, and if you are able to manage it through food, then well and good. So this was the video for today, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Please like and share this video with others. I'll see you in the